The so-called Independent Commission on Infrastructure created by the President has many challenges. First, the Commission is created by the President himself. However, the President is the principal signatory of the General Appropriations Act of 2025, and that his signature in that law, the Appropriations Act, makes him the primary author of the insertions themselves. And who were his other members in the government who signed the insertions? Second is the House of Representatives, headed by his cousin, former Speaker Romualdez, and the one who replaced him is the Deputy Speaker of Romualdez. How can the President allow his commission to investigate his own cousin? Romualdez has no freeze orders from the AMLA or whatever. Second, his whereabouts cannot be found. Third, the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee and the other committee in Congress cannot investigate him because of parliamentary courtesy. Second reason why that commission may not be independent at all is because it has no contempt powers. Contempt powers involve imprisonment of people who will lie or who will not tell the truth, nothing but the truth during the investigations. Dili pwede magkapreso ang mga ini-investigate dyan. Third, it has no tooth because it comes from an executive order. There should have been a congressional law which would create that commission and provide it with enough powers so that people will be forced to show documents, people will be forced to show up themselves and tell the truth. Without those contempt powers and without the enabling law, the Independent Commission is toothless.